Ooh, you so obsessive, send another desperate message. On your knees, I got you begging, I forgot I meant to mention, yeah. You ain't nothing when you tryna be slick. You ain't nothing but my hounding ass bitch, yeah, yeah. Ooh, lately, you bitch like crazy. Love me, hate me, you the one who chased me. Ay, you feel it, I'm chillin'. I'm about to start a chain. You the biggest bitch living, I don't take it lightly, I'm speaking politely. I don't need a mouthpiece, this shit just ignite me. Burning in my belly and I'ma throw a two-scene. Ooh, gonna say yeah. Ooh, you so obsessive, send another desperate message. On your knees, I got you begging, I forgot I meant to mention it. You ain't nothing when you tryna be slick. You ain't nothing but my hounding ass bitch, yeah. Ooh, you so obsessive, send another desperate message. On your knees, I got you begging, I forgot I meant to mention, yeah. You ain't nothing when you tryna be slick. You ain't nothing but my hounding ass bitch, bitch. I went MIA if that's what you wanna say. Say keep up, you know I keep refined. You fly a paper plane. I go to the beat of my own drumming. Why you keep saying I owe something to you? No, nothing I owe, nothing to you. I see someone who owns nothing. Taste my cleats, say ooh, me smell a retreat, say say it defeat, say I said say it defeat, say Ooh, you so obsessive, send another desperate message. On your knees, I got you begging, I forgot I meant to mention it. You ain't nothing when you tryna be slick. You ain't nothing but my hounding ass bitch, yeah. Ooh, you so obsessive, send another desperate message. On your knees, I got you begging, I forgot I meant to mention, yeah. You ain't nothing when you tryna be slick. You ain't nothing but my hounding ass bitch, bitch. Call me up, you get petty. You know I wanted this bad. For 4 years I've been ready. Now you gonna make this splash. And you wanna go up while I'm bringing shit down. Now this wasn't so tough, you become my bitch clown. I think you should knuckle up, once you knuckle up now. I think you should buckle up, cause you my bitch now, yeah, yeah. Ooh, you so obsessive, send another desperate message. On your knees, I got you begging, I forgot I meant to mention it. You ain't nothing when you tryna be slick. You ain't nothing but my hounding ass bitch, yeah. Ooh, you so obsessive, send another desperate message. On your knees, I got you begging, I forgot I meant to mention, yeah. You ain't nothing when you tryna be slick. You ain't nothing but my hounding ass bitch, bitch. Look, I don't wanna fight you. You gotta know that I meant it when I said that I liked you. Or maybe just the idea. I bought it, the one and I returned the shit like IKEA. Apologize, I'm not a mind reader. I need attention, so I try to be a crowd pleaser. It was easy till it got a little deeper. Now I don't know how to deal with you, so I'ma disappear. I'm a ghost. Now you see me, now you don't. I'm a ghost. Every time you hit the phone. I'm a ghost. See me, now you don't. Hey, I know it's inconvenient to change your background, but let's back down so you can see this is a problem I don't wanna put myself in front of. That's why I blocked you, cause I'm not the guy you should rely on, spy on, creep on. I don't know, you just ain't that type of hoe. If I don't holler, let me go. I should've said it, but I didn't, and I won't. I'm a ghost. Now you see me, now you don't. I'm a ghost. Every time you hit the phone. I'm a ghost. Now you see me, now you don't. I know you hate me, hate me, hate me, hate me, hate me. Cause I've been shady, 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 shady. I don't get reception. Missed your call, but best believe I got the message. Why don't you just leave me alone? I think it's lasted way too long. I thought by now that you would know, but since you don't, I'm a ghost. Now you see me, now you don't. I'm a ghost. Every time you hit the phone, I'm a ghost. Now you see me, now you don't.
Smoke a little weed, smoke a little weed, I've been feeling low. Pressure in my head, lay awake in bed, I'm against the ropes. Been trying to recover, but nothing I do works, 'cause hiding under the covers is only making it worse. I'm stuck, think this is growing up. Too much is on my mind, always on my mind, need a little space. Spend my days alone, can't get off my phone, nothing goes my way. Miss all of my friends and barely can find my taxes. I'm halfway through my 20s, like how the hell did this happen? I'm stuck, my life is in a rut. And I've been hoping these doors might open, and I'll be running from this place free. Constant pacing, this time I'm wasting. I can't control these emotions in me. Growing up, I think I've seen better days. It's getting tough, always trying to seem like I'm okay. I'm growing up, whatever that means anyway. Enough. I'm just growing up. Girlfriend wanna chill, I've been working late. I don't got no time, working all the time, too much on my plate. And I don't wanna fail, I'm bringing myself stress. I can't sit on my sofa, I'm lost and depressed and stuck. I can't say that enough. Anxiety is high, I can't even lie, I'm not doing